Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino, taking a look at Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash finally completed the levels for the horizontal channel breakout, hitting the 1350. So that is done, actually getting up to a high of 1376.90, but not able to get to the old highs now. Pulling back, we're watching for a nice rotation up right around this 1306 level with the rising rotation zone. If it breaks below that, we're watching for the next key level for a rotation back up around this 1280 level. Reverse Gann box for the projection, so that's coming from this low from this horizontal channel, which is back on the 11th, back to the highs on the 9th. That's why it's a reverse Gann box, giving us a stop raising level or a first target level 1409. Then we have a really nice cluster at this 1434 level. So that's what we'll be watching for. Now it's not a good sign if it falls back and closes back down this 1265. Let's take a look at that daily chart because we talked so much about that daily rotation zone. All right, here we go. Daily rotation zone. Poke through it briefly and now back below it. It has not been able to break the daily rotation zone, unlike another one like Litecoin, which has. This one just poked above it, now dropped back below it. So that's why it's still important. We're still watching for that close above the daily rotation zone in Bitcoin Cash. Switching over Bitcoin Gold. Bitcoin Gold also with our horizontal breakout, which we only had to the upside, hitting all the price levels, 128.33. So that is complete. Still just eked out slightly new highs, getting to 130.75. Now from this one we can do a forward Gann box coming from these lows up to the highs, which I don't know why the levels disappeared, but we'll put them back on there. And that gives us, let's see, if this rotates back up, which we're watching for it to hold right around here, possibly pull back to the 123. Don't want to see it get below the 120 level. That would give us the 130.60 level and the 135.66 to 136.44 next area. Let's check in on the daily chart, though. That's going to be very key also for this. So those targets, that top target just is coming in line with the top of the rotation zone on the daily basis, but that rotation zone is going to be slightly more important. So as that keeps falling down, fine-tune that target. It's still closing within the rotation zone, so it is not broken out. Okay, switching over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin also moving up through the prior swing highs, just past our 92.43 level, and I'll show you exactly where it went to on the daily, falling short of this 94.12, but we said to watch the rotation zone on the daily. Before we switch over to that, let me show you what we're looking for. Let me raise these retracement levels first, and we can update this, and I'll show you why on the daily. We'll come to these most recent highs, and we're going to go from down here, the move that really started this right here, and we're going to update our retracement areas. So we're watching for a pullback. Key area right now is about 9,000 to 913. On a deeper pullback, we don't want to get to below 87.68, and we want to pull back and a rotation back up. Let's zoom in on these key levels though and see what it's looking like. So next push higher, we do have a cluster area right around 9,500, pretty close to 9,500, and then 96.27. So that 9,500 is going to be very, very key. Show you why we slightly edged that other level down. Remember, so watch the top of the rotation zone on the daily. We talked about that in the video, and look where it slammed right into the top of the rotation zone on the daily, about 93.54, you know, and then dropped back down. So still closing within the rotation zone. So if it does push through there, then these next two targets will take it outside the rotation zone, which is very, very key for Bitcoin. That's what we have for you on the Bitcoin series tonight. Hope everyone's having a great day trading the cryptos, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.